So today we're changing the oil and filter on a 2018 Sante Fe Sport with the 2-liter turbo. Let's jump right in. First off, you're going to need 5.1 quarts of 5W30 oil. I'm using an OEM filter, paper towel, brake cleaner, a pry tool, oil filter pliers, a 17mm socket or wrench, a funnel, an oil drain pan, and ramps. First off, remove the oil fill cap. Next, you're going to go underneath the vehicle on the passenger side and remove the access cover to the oil filter by squeezing the tabs and pulling down. You might need a pry tool for this. Then you're going to loosen and remove the oil filter. Then you're going to remove the plastic from the OEM filter and make sure to lube that O-ring so it doesn't get stuck. Next, make sure you wipe this area with a cloth. It seems to attract a lot of oil dripping down from the filter, and I don't want to get in my customer's driveway. So now you can reinstall this access plate and move a bit farther back to the oil drain plug access plate. We'll remove that the same way. And we're going to remove that with our 17mm wrench or socket. I'm using the socket right here. And then we're going to remove the oil drain plug and let the oil drain out. This is pretty hard to keep clean, so that's why I'm wearing gloves. So let that drain for a bit. Next, make sure you remember to replace the crush washer on these. They do tend to develop leaks if you don't. Next, we'll reinstall the oil drain plug, and then we will tighten it. You can feel the crush washer giving way, but don't tighten it too much. Then we will reinstall that access plate. Next, we're going to go up top, and you're going to use 5.1 quarts of 5W30 or 5W40. Both are rated for the same temperatures. I would just use 5W40 if you want more protection with less fuel economy. Once that's done, replace the oil fill cap. And that's it for here. And then in order to reset the oil service light, you're going to go into your car and using the scroll button, scroll until you see service required. Then you're going to hold the back button to reset your service interval. So that's everything you need in order to change the oil and filter on a 2018 Sante Fe. Thanks for watching.